Question is, if the sum of the slopes of the lines given by x raised to the power of 2 minus 2cxy minus 7y power 2 that is equal to 0 is 4 times their product, find the value of c. Let's see how to do quickly. What they given? If the sum of the slopes of the lines, so that means, and this equation is a two lines of the given equation. So there is a two lines, that means there is a two slopes. One is m1 and another one is m2. And they given if the sum of the slopes, that is m1 plus m2 of the lines given by this equation is 4 times the product of their slopes. So this is the given information. So what they given, x raised to the power of 2 minus 2cxy minus 7y power 2 that is equal to 0. In this equation, if you divide all the sides by x raised to the power of 2, then what we are going to get? We are going to get, here is 1 and here is 1 by x and here is y by x whole raised to the power of 2, isn't it? And we know that slope is nothing but y by x. So instead of y by x we can write m, isn't it? So after writing in terms of m, then the equation is going to be minus 7 m raised to the power of 2 minus 2cm plus 1 equal to 0. If you multiply both sides by minus, then it is going to be 7m raised to the power of 2 plus 2cm minus 1 equal to 0. Here no need to find the roots. What they said the slopes of the sum of the slopes equal to 4 times the product of their slopes. Here no need to find the roots. Let's find only the sum of the roots and product of the roots. So what is the sum of the roots? The formula minus b by a. So here what is the b? The b is minus 2c by a is 7, isn't it? What is the product of the roots? m1 and m2 that is equal to c by a. What is c? Minus 1 and a is 7. So substitute this m1 plus m2 in this equation, in this expression. So what is m1 and m2? Minus 2c over 7 that is equal to, what is the product of the slopes? 4 times minus 1 over 7. Here 7 gets cancelled and minus minus also gets cancelled. So we left only 2c equal to 4. Then c value is 2. So like this simply we can find, no need to find any roots, any slopes, nothing. Just simply using the sum of the roots formula and the product of the roots formula. So we found the value of c. That's it. Simple question asked in JEE.